He's recording a video.
Last group.
Okay, so right now we're going to demonstrate that the soil is basically
dry.
really dry.
The dry sensor has the wet sensor, so if it's dry we need more water. So after I hit
Usually it's not
Open it a little
just
more.
hold it.
That's alright.
There you go.
It's on.
Okay, so this is when the ground is really dry. And
Just leave it there, let's do it one more time.
what we're gonna do. Alright, and then this is if the sensor goes wet, shuts off because this is the wet sensor. And you can show him the system how it really actually works.
What is this?
That's
This
the
is
box.
It's a wooden box. We don't want to look at it.
Oh.
Microphone
These-
controller.
Yeah, it's kind
all
of
the stuff is
it's a little messy in
I don't
there.
want to open it.
This is like high school.
Good, good.
You enter the password. It says press pound at first speed. Check it. Right now it's already connected to the wet one, so it should not come on. System checking. Moisture level good. System off.
Alright, so
Let's do it for the other one.
This one.
For the other one. Okay. So now it's dry. So after it's found it's thirsty, it's checking and it should come on because it's dry and we need water.
And then once it gets moist enough,
And once it automatically it'll turn off as soon as the soil gets wet. And again, let's say after like a couple of hours, it's dry again. And connect to that. Well, it's already on, so you cannot see it, but it's open.
Now, this is interesting, very interesting. So you are reading into 8051, you're sending out. Are you using interrupts for this, or how are you reading this input?
This input,
we are using the if statement inside the C code, and it actually is monitoring it constantly in a while loop.
Okay.
So basically, it's checking it while the system is running. It's polling it. We have a clock thing in there, and then
Like
as soon as it
Oh.
goes low,
Oh, okay.
it gets out of the if statement and go into the other if statement.
like this part of the code is actually it's the whole thing. So this program is running even though when the password is running in the back. This thing, as soon as this thing on, so it's constantly checking it's constantly getting in touch with the sensor. So this whole thing is in that one while the
Yeah, that's my problem. How do you make two things work at the same time?
we put the 5 voltage into it.
Well, we are gonna use different ports in there, like 8050.
Oh, so it checks both ports.
We only are
Okay.
checking one port right
In
now.
fact, that means it's not really simultaneous, it's sequential.
mm-hmm.
It's
yeah,
fast,
you can say that.
it's fast, but it should go from P1 to P2 and check all this.
Right.
Things are fast, that's made
Right.
like this thing.
Right.
Okay.
So we're gonna have 2 inputs and 2 outputs. Like this is just one, and we actually
Yeah.
build this too. So we are gonna have this one place, and then with the sensor, and then we're gonna have another one with this. So it's like a whole system. We're gonna put.
Okay.